Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how do we use chamfer and fillet in Autodesk Inventor sketch mode. So let me briefly explain you what is chamfer and what is fillet. Fillet is converting a sharp edge into a smooth curve. Here you give a dimension called radius. Distance from the center point to both of your edges will be equal. Chamfer is converting one sharp edge into two different edges. The engineering aspect is to reduce the stress concentration by stress distribution, but here we don't need to worry about that. We can have different inputs. First kind of input we have is we have both the dimensions known and both are at 45 degrees from the center. Third, we have different dimensions. Fourth, only one dimension is known and we know one angle. Getting back to Inventor, so let me start with chamfer. First input type is distance equal from the center point and at an angle of 45 degree. I'll select the first edge and I'll select the second edge, and we have the chamfer here. Second one, both the distance are different, so I'll go for first edge and I'll go for second edge. As you can see, the first line we selected went off with 3 mm and the second one took 1 mm. Third kind of is, you know one dimension, that is 3 mm, and you know the another angle is 30. Let me give 60 and let me give 5. So the first edge I'll select will go for 5 mm offset and with an angle of 60 degree. So this was my first line and this is my second line. Let me show you. From this point to this point, this is 5 mm. This angle to this angle is 60 degree. This was all about chamfer. Coming back to fillet. Fillet, you need to give fillet radius first. Let me give 10. You need to select the first edge and you need to select the second edge. You can also reduce to whatever dimension you need. For example, I'm making these. It also works on curves, but remember if you have two circles it won't work. Here I'm not able to select. For that, what you need to do, you need to trim down so that you make a sharp edge. Fillet and chamfer only works when you have sharp edge. If by mistake you have put the wrong dimension, in that case also you don't need to worry about. This Autodesk provides a very lenient option. You just need to double click on the dimension, change it, and everything will get constrained. So you just need to double click on that and change the dimension, and all the constraint will be taken care. Hope you learned how to make chamfer and fillet. In next video we are going to cover these modifiers. Hope you enjoyed our video. Kindly subscribe us to help us to get you the latest notifications. In case you have any query, you can comment it down or you can write us to the given mail address. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.